Then we have negative motivation and positive motivation. So sorry, based on certain criterias, we have divided motivation into few categories, right? Now, what is that criteria on the basis of which we have divided motivation? On the basis of source of motivation. On the basis of the source of motivation, that means motivation आ कहाँ से रहा है, right? On the basis of source of motivation, motivation is divided into two types. That is intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation. So if the motivation is coming from inside a person, it is called intrinsic motivation, right? Or it is all intrinsic means internal. And if the source of motivation lies outside a person, that means if the source of motivation lies outside a person, then it is called extrinsic motivation. Extrinsic means external. Intrinsic means internal, right? So depending on where the source of motivation is, the type of motivation is called intrinsic motivation. If the source of motivation is internal, and extrinsic motivation if the source of motivation is external. Now, on the basis of the nature of outcome, कि in the end मिल क्या रहा है, मोटिवेशन के प्रोसेस के एंड में क्या मिल रहा है, राइट? और what is the result of motivation, or what is the result of the work that you're doing, you can classify motivation into two types: negative motivation and positive motivation. If the outcome of the work that you do, or if the nature of the outcome is something which is positive, then it is called positive motivation. If the outcome is uh, negative, if the outcome is undesirable, if the outcome is not required, if the outcome is if the outcome is something which you do not want, then it is called negative motivation, right? So these are the four major categories of motivation. All right. So we'll move further to the details of these types. The first type is intrinsic motivation. Now, what is intrinsic motivation? Uh, Intrinsic motivation means that the source of motivation is inside. You know what is source? Source means where the motivation is coming from. So it can be the stimuli that is motivating you, right? So suppose sometimes what happens is that you do not need anybody else to motivate you, but uh, you yourself, there is some factor that no, I want to do this. You know, there is this enthusiasm this energy that comes from within, that I can do it, I want to do it. And that is called intrinsic motivation. That which is called the fire in the belly. You know, the fire which drives you, the spark within, that is called intrinsic motivation. कि आपको अंदर से you feel that energy coming from within yourself, that the drive, that motive, that I want to do this, I should do this, or if I do it, this is what I'm going to get. So that motivation to do that work is coming from within a person, right? Now that can totally depend on your upbringing, on your family, on your value system, on your belief system, on the way you have been, brought up and the way you have learned things. So uh, it can be dependent on so many things. So, but whatever I'm talking about, that is affecting that particular person, है ना? That is within that person. So, anything that is motivating you from inside, anything that is giving you that energy from within yourself, it is called intrinsic motivation. So, uh, like you say that, I want to work for this career because this is what I wanted to become since my childhood. Now, that is your dream. That is your dream job, dream career that you wanted to choose for yourself. So, that that desire has grown so much that you do not need anybody else to tell you that you should do this. That desire is forcing you to follow a certain path, to learn something, to do something so that you can make your career in that field, right? So, see, it is written also over here that a person, an individual, has the desire to perform a task because it fits, it is in accordance, it is in sync, SYNC, with his belief system or fulfills a desire. Therefore, that person is attached to it. Also, the deep rooted desires, like the one I was telling you, ki you wanted to do that since your childhood. You had always dreamt of, joining the army. So, वो एक deep rooted desire है. That is something that you always wanted to do, and they have got the highest motivational power. Uh, we recently I read about a farmer's son who uh, has qualified for 100% scholarship, who has qualified for 100% scholarship, probably in the Stanford University. So you see the level of motivation of that person, that he wanted to. What else could have motivated that person? Nobody else. That was the desire of that person itself, no external factor, right? So, what all are the examples of intrinsic factors of motivation? Acceptance. Acceptance means you want to be accepted by the people who are around you, maybe your colleagues, maybe your society where you live in. So to get their acceptance, so that they accept you wholeheartedly, you do something. These days there are a lot of groups who ask you to do something so that they accept you. They give you challenges. There are groups which do stunts, so you also have to show a stunt so that you are included in that group. So, why is that person doing the stunt? Because that person wants to be accepted by that group. All right. Then curiosity. You want to know something. You look at the people who are scientists, who are researchers, there is something that they want to know, something that they want to find out, some relationship, some correlation, and they are they want to know it कि ऐसा हो क्यों रहा है या ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है या ऐसा क्या है जो ऐसा कर सकता है. So their curiosity is making them do this work. Then honor. Sometimes you do something to be, to be to follow certain rules, to adhere to certain rules, to follow the rules and regulations, and that is why you want to do something. So the rules and regulations are the things which you want to honor. Maybe there's something that gives you, earns you self-respect. That is why you want to do it. Then independence. You want to suppose अगर आप ये project कर लेते हो तो आप project future में आपको project manager बना दिया जाएगा. तो क्या होगा आपके पास power होगी to handle so many people, right? You will not have to ask somebody to take your decisions. You can take the decisions on your own. So you will get freedom. You will get independence after doing that work. So independence is what you want, and that is why you do that work. Sometimes we choose a career which, uh, we want to pursue because maybe we want to do something on our own. There are so many people, boys and girls from business families who do not want to join their family business. That is why they pursue some professional course so that they can be independent. They do not want to be dependent that they got established business and their contribution is negligible. तो वो अपना इंडिपेंडेंट एक करियर बनाना चाहते हैं, इसीलिए they pursue some professional course so that, or whatever they do, so that they are independent. Then order. You want to be organized. That is why you do something, you complete a task. You want power. Power means you will be able to um, manage, you will be able to control, you will have the power to influence people because you have been given that power. Then sometimes we need some social interactions. जैसे कि कोई बहुत डिग्निफाइड या रेप्यूटेड कोई क्लब है जिसको ज्वाइन करना है, so you do something to have social interactions. Then social status, you want to gain some status in the society. That is why you do some work or you achieve the goals. कि अगर आप ऐसा करेंगे तो आपको सोसाइटी में एक recognition मिलेगा, एक status मिलेगा, and for achieving that you want to do that task. तो आप काम करना चाहते हैं, किस लिए करना चाहते हैं? क्योंकि आप वो social position gain करना चाहते हैं, right? So these are few factors which are intrinsic in nature. There are more factors you can always add on to the list, to the examples that I have shown to you. Now, so what is the gist of this? What is the crux? What is the summary of this? That in intrinsic motivation, the factor of motivation or the source of motivation is within that person, and that person himself or herself gets motivated. They do not need any external factor. Now, next is extrinsic motivation. What is extrinsic motivation? Extrinsic motivation is when the source of motivation is lying inside. So, extrinsic motivation means that stimuli that motivates you is coming from outside or is external. So it is called extrinsic motivation. That means that the desire to do the task, the desire to do work is controlled by something that is outside you, है ना? That is outside your body. So it is an external source of motivation. Okay. Now, a thing to remember is whether the motivational stimulus is inside you or outside you. That means चाहे वो extrinsic हो चाहे intrinsic. Whether it is intrinsic or extrinsic, whether it is coming from inside or outside, but जो result होगा, जो आपको मिलेगा, जो जिसके लिए आप काम कर रहे हैं, that will be still important for the individual. यानी कि अगर आप अपनी ही क्यूरियोसिटी की वजह से मोटिवेट होकर काम कर रहे हैं, उसका भी कोई रिजल्ट आएगा. तो वो जो रिजल्ट आएगा, या फिर आपका कोई सुपरवाइजर है जिसने आपको मोटिवेट किया है ना, वो जो सुपरवाइजर हो गया एक्सटर्नल सोर्स, है ना, और आपकी क्यूरियोसिटी होगी आपका इंटरनल सोर्स. सोर्स कोई भी हो, पर उसका जो रिजल्ट होगा वो काम करने का, दैट विल बी रिवॉर्डिंग, दैट विल बी सेटिस्फाइंग फॉर द इंडिविजुअल. यानी कि ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर सोर्स ऑफ मोटिवेशन एक्सटर्नल है तो वो जो फैक्टर ऑफ मोटिवेशन है आपका उससे आपको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. ऐसा नहीं है. फैक्टर ऑफ मोटिवेशन भले ही आउटसाइड है, बट स्टिल इट कैन मोटिवेट यू. Right? Now, what all can motivate a person? First and foremost, money. Money in any form has been identified as a significant motivator, है ना? चाहे वो सैलरी के फॉर्म में हो, चाहे वो बोनस के फॉर्म में हो, चाहे वो इंसेंटिव के फॉर्म में हो, in any form, the stimulus can be money, since money satisfies a number of needs, है ना? Money can satisfy a number of needs apart from your psychological needs, है ना? वो मनी से सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो सकती, बट मोस्ट ऑफ योर फिजियोलॉजिकल नीड्स कैन बी सेटिस्फाइड विद मनी. दैट इज व्हाई मनी इज वन ऑफ द मेजर एक्सटर्नल मोटिवेटर्स. मनी आपके अंदर से तो जेनरेट नहीं होता है ना, आउटसाइड ही तो है, outside your body. That is why money is an external source of motivation. Apart from money, we can see employee of the month awards. Now this is something which is non-monetary, but what will it give you? It will give you some maybe recognition in the organization, some importance, है ना? तो वो आपको एक्सटर्नल रिवॉर्ड है जो आप रिसीव करेंगे, है ना? So एम्प्लॉय ऑफ द मंथ रिवॉर्ड, सम बेनिफिट पैकेज, कोई हॉलीडे पैकेज हो, कुछ इंश्योरेंस मिल रहा हो, कोई चाइल्ड एजुकेशन का अलाउंस हो, या कोई आपको ही कोई कोर्स करने के लिए स्पॉन्सर कर रही हो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो ये सब जो है समथिंग विच इज बेनिफिशियल. जरूरी नहीं है मॉनेटरी टर्म्स में हो, नॉन मॉनेटरी टर्म्स में भी, बट समथिंग विच इज डिजायरेबल बाय यू. Bonus, I already told you, money in any form, so bonus is a form of money only. Then organized activities, आपको बताया जाए कि ये आप काम करेंगे तो आपको you will be the main maybe मे बी द कन्वीनर ऑफ अ कॉन्फ्रेंस, है ना, या आप हैंडल करेंगे द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्क इन द कॉन्फ्रेंस, तो ये दिस इज एन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एक्टिविटी, और द चैरिटी विल गो इन योर नेम, है ना, समथिंग वेयर यू आर गेटिंग सम आइडेंटिफिकेशन, कुछ मिल रहा है, कोई ऑर्गेनाइज एक्टिविटी में आपको, या कोई सपोज कोई इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस है उसमें आपको भेजा जाए. So all these are sources of extrinsic or external motivation. चाहे इंटरनल मोटिवेशन हो चाहे एक्सटर्नल मोटिवेशन हो, बेनिफिट तो एम्प्लॉई को ही मिलेगा. ठीक है. Now we come to positive motivation. What is positive motivation? Positive motivation is when you get something positive as an outcome of the work that you are doing. Suppose मैंने आपको कोई assignment दिया है, if you complete that assignment, maybe I give you this I tell you that all those who have submitted their assignment of time will get an additional 2 marks, है ना. तो क्या मिल रहा है आपको, कुछ अच्छा मिल रहा है ना, कोई रिवॉर्ड मिल रहा है ना. तो पॉजिटिव मोटिवेशन इज जब आपको कुछ मिले in the form of a reward at the end of the process of motivation, then that is at the end of the work that you are expected to do, so that is called motivation. तो लोग वो गोल अचीव करने के लिए काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. लोग काम क्यों कर रहे हैं? लोग काम इसीलिए कर रहे हैं ताकि उनको वो एंड में आउटकम या रिवॉर्ड मिल सके, है ना. सो positive motivation is to get something in return of doing the task or the work that has been allotted to you, right? So people are willing to do their best in a way that they can improve their performance. सबसे अच्छा whatever they can do, they try to do, and the purpose is that they want to improve their performance. Then positive motivation में क्या मिलता है? Some kind of a reward, or it is a kind of a tool that creates interest in the minds of the employees. जो भी employee ये काम within the deadline कर लेगा, समय से काम कर लेगा, उसको will get a holiday package for their entire family. Now the employees want to get that holiday package for their family, है ना. That is why they are doing that work. So it was a kind of a tool that created interest in that employee to do that work. So it is called positive motivation. Now it is a process to attempt to influence the behavior. Behavior क्या होता है? The way in which you react towards something. And when you repeatedly show the same kind of reaction, it is called the behavior of a person. So it is an effort, it is an attempt to influence the behavior of employees through the means of rewards. हो सकता है एम्प्लॉय पहले वो काम नहीं कर रहे हो, नहीं करना चाहते हो, लेकिन जब उनको पता चले कि ये रिवॉर्ड इस काम से एसोसिएटेड है, इस वर्क से लिंक्ड है, तो हो सकता है दैट एम्प्लॉय बिकम्स रेडी टू डू दैट वर्क, एंड हेंस इट इज कॉल्ड दैट द behavior of the employee has been influenced. Also, it is concerned with the incentives. यही मैं आपको बार बार कह रही हूँ कि जो काम करेंगे उसके एंड में कोई रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा, है ना. Now such reward में include wages, salary या तो प्रमोशन, कुछ जो एम्प्लॉय को बेनिफिट करे, है ना. प्रो मोटिवेशन प्रेज, encroach or reward may take the form of monetary, यानी कि monetary form भी हो सकता है. Monetary means related with money और non monetary means not related with money. Okay, so it can take form of monetary rewards or it can be non monetary as well. आपको प्रेज किया, आपकी तारीफ की, आपको एनकरेज किया, हाईलाइट की आपकी परफॉर्मेंस को, आपके कंट्रीब्यूशन को, राइट? ऑल दीज आर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ पॉजिटिव मोटिवेशन. This is the person who has performed very well. So because you want to earn that praise, because you want to earn that identity, right? So you are doing that work. So positive motivation can be monetary, non-monetary, but the reward should be such that it is something for which the employee works, है ना? जैसे कि कोई न्यूज एंकर है, हाँ, जो न्यूज पढ़ते हैं, जर्नलिस्ट प्रेजेंट करते हैं न्यूज को. इफ अगर आप अच्छे से प्रेजेंट करेंगे तो आपको प्राइम टाइम में न्यूज पढ़ने को मिलेगा. अब प्राइम टाइम में पढ़ने को न्यूज मिलेगा यानी कि आपकी जो रीच है वो बढ़ जाएगी, बिकॉज प्राइम टाइम में मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल वॉच न्यूज, है ना? प्राइम टाइम का मतलब ही यही है. तो that person wants to perform well, that journalist will do their work well so that they are able to get the prime time slot, right? तो इसलिए नहीं कर रहे हैं क्योंकि करना चाहते हैं, बल्कि इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि वो प्राइम टाइम का स्लॉट बहुत कम लोगों को मिलता है एंड दे वांट टू बिकम अ नेम इन एवरी हाउस होल्ड, हर कोई उनको पहचाने. That is why they are working hard so that they can get that prime time slot. So it is an example of positive motivation. Is that clear to you? Now we come to the last type, that is negative motivation. Okay, what is negative motivation? Negative motivation बताओ क्या होगा? Can anybody guess what is negative motivation? Please reply in the chat box itself. Can you guess what is negative motivation? Since you've studied positive motivation, that is why I just wanted to know whether you can guess that what can be negative motivation. I'll give you 30 seconds if you could just guess. Yeah. Okay. All right. Anyone else? Okay, fine. I have got two answers and you're correct. You've given me examples of negative motivation. Negative motivation is when the outcome or the result is something which is negative in nature. Now, negative is something that you do not want, है ना? ऐसी कोई चीज जो आप नहीं चाहते हैं, है ना? पॉजिटिव में था something that you want and you get it at the end, so that is going to motivate you. Now, negative motivation में it is something that you do not want, but then why will that motivate you? जो चीज आप चाहते नहीं वो आपको कैसे मोटिवेट करेगी? वो ऐसे मोटिवेट करेगी कि आप उसको अवॉइड करने के लिए, right? You do not want yourself to earn a negative outcome, and that is why You do work to avoid that negative outcome. For example, if I tell you that if you come late to the class, you will not get attendance. So you're not coming early to the class because it is good to come early to the class. You are coming early to the class because you want to avoid the negative reward that is attached to the process. That if you come late, you will lose attendance. So to avoid losing attendance, to avoid being marked absent, you come early to the class. आप वो आउटकम नहीं चाहते हैं, इसलिए आप जल्दी आ रहे हैं, right? So the negative outcomes can be any thing that you are trying to or you do not want to earn for yourself, right? So sorry. So the negative outcome is something that you want to avoid, right? So it is the act of forcing employees to work by means of threats and punishments. And you want to discourage, you want to you want them to discontinue some kind of behavior, and you want to encourage some behavior. Like the example which I gave you, you want to discourage coming late and you want to encourage the students to come early, right? So encouraging something which is positive and discourage something which you do not want. So it is a negative treatment kind of an exercise on employees who are not performing their work. See, all those who were coming early will keep coming early. है ना? They were earlier also coming early and they will continue to come early. But all those who are coming late, they will also try to come early, and the focus is on those employees only, on those people only who were not doing the work in an expected manner. So what all can happen in negative motivation? Demotion. Demotion means decreasing the position. Demotion. Dismissal. Dismissal means removing from the job. Transfer. Sending to some other location to work. Right? Then penalties. Group rejection. Some kind of a fine. All these are examples of negative motivation. ठीक है? किसी को जॉब से निकाल देना या उसका जॉब में रहना, उसकी सैलरी कट कर देना, उसकी पोजीशन कम कर देना, उसकी पावर कम कर देना, all these are examples of negative motivation. ठीक है? अब हम लोग ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एक मैट्रिक्स पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. अभी तक आपने 4 टाइप्स के मोटिवेशन पढ़े थे, बट दे आर नॉट what do I say, exclusive. यानी कि the one type can have characteristics of some other type as well, right? So positive and negative motivation can be internal as well as external. So positive internal motivation, right? I'm starting from the top quadrant. So positive internal motivation, positive external motivation, negative internal motivation, negative external motivation. So what are the examples of positive internal motivation? Self-validation, passion, challenge, satisfaction, desire. All these are internal also as well as positive in nature, right? अब हम देखेंगे कि पॉजिटिव में एक्सटर्नल क्या क्या हो सकता है. जो जो हम लोगों ने एक्सटर्नल में पढ़ा था वो सारे ही पॉजिटिव थे. फाइनेंशियल रिवॉर्ड, सिक्योरिटी, रिकॉग्निशन, अप्रिसिएशन. इनफैक्ट हमने कोई नेगेटिव पढ़ा ही नहीं था, है ना. एक्सटर्नल में हम लोगों ने सारे पॉजिटिव ही पढ़े थे. सो जितने भी हम लोगों ने एक्सटर्नल में पढ़े थे ऑल वर पॉजिटिव. नाउ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ नेगेटिव इंटरनल मोटिवेशन जितने भी हमने पढ़े थे, most of them were examples of negative motivation. Fear of failure, fear of inadequacy, insecurity, you do not want to lose a position, you want to remain, uh, you want to have that power. ये सारे fear of losing power, fear of failure, unacceptance. If if you fail, people will not accept you. ये सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं नेगेटिव इंटरनल मोटिवेशन के. और नेगेटिव एक्सटर्नल मोटिवेशन के, दूसरों की तरफ से जो प्रेशर आता है टू डू सम काइंड ऑफ वर्क, दैट इज अ नेगेटिव एक्सटर्नल मोटिवेशन, राइट. देन अनस्टेबल लाइफ, फाइनेंशियल प्रेशर, दैट कि आपकी सैलरी कट कर दी जाएगी, आपको जॉब से निकाल दिया जाएगा. ये सब एग्जाम्पल्स है नेगेटिव एक्सटर्नल मोटिवेशन के. सो दिस मैट्रिक्स एक्सप्लेन्स टू अस कि जितने भी हमने टाइप्स पढ़े हैं ये सारे व्हाट डू आई से, म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव नहीं है. यानी कि एक्सटर्नल है तो वो कोई और, ऑब्वियसली इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल में कोई ओवरलैप नहीं है, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव में कोई ओवरलैप नहीं है, बिकॉज अलग अलग बेसिस पे ये क्लासिफाई किया है. बट यस, a factor of motivation can be a positive or a negative factor, and it can belong to an internal or an external source of motivation. I have shared the notes with you, the PDF, the same from which we are studying. You can go through that, and if you are still not able to figure out, we can discuss it later in the class, maybe in the next one or so, right? I hope it is clear to you all. Today we'll study only the types of motivation because I want you to be very clear about all the types of motivation, right? You should be clearly able to identify the types of motivation. So just go through these types, and also the previous one जब हमने introduction of motivation पढ़ा था. Please go through these and come back later. All right. If you do not have any doubts, I will take your attendance now.